Safety is what we all want for our community.
For our home,
For our family.
Your Grand Rapids Fire Department is dedicated to fire safety.
That's why we're offering homeowners within the city limits a huge service.
We'll install smoke alarms in your home for free.
100% free.
No cost,
no catch.
A firefighter crew will install smoke alarms.
and help you with a brief home safety assessment.
And that's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Smoke alarms save lives.
So make the call.
You can get free smoke alarms and a home safety assessment for free.
Just a few questions.
Super quick,
And super easy.
our families and our homes are worth it.
Call the Residential Safety Program at 311 or 456-3000. Let the Grand Rapids Fire Department make you safer in your home.